In this video, I will show you 3 methods to download and install Disney Plus on any smart TV you have. Over here, I have a Samsung Smart TV, but it doesn't matter the size or brand of Smart TV you have. Whether you have a Sony Smart TV, a Hisense Smart TV, an LG, Samsung Smart TV, whichever Smart TV you have, by the end of this video, one of the 3 methods I'm going to show you on how to get the Disney Plus app on your Smart TV will definitely work out for you. Now for the first method, you want to go ahead and search and download the Disney Plus app from the App Store of your Smart TV. And to do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your Smart TV is actually connected to the internet. And then from here, you just want to scroll horizontally until you get to the App Store of your Smart TV. In the case of this Samsung Smart TV, this app over here is the App Store. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Just go ahead and open up the App Store of any Smart TV you have, and on the App Store of your Smart TV, usually there is a search icon at the top right corner of the TV. So what you just want to do is to head over to that search icon at the top of your TV, whichever TV you have, and in the search input field, you want to go ahead and search for Disney Plus. And before I finish typing, you can literally see the Disney Plus app suggestion over here on my Samsung Smart TV. If you do not find the Disney Plus app on the App Store of your Smart TV, one thing you have to note is that in most Smart TVs, the Disney Plus app is actually restricted in some regions. So if you do not find it on the App Store of any Smart TV you're using, then there is a high chance that the app is not available on your region. So you can just stick around for the second and third method on how to get the app into your Smart TV. If you're able to find the app, go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now once the Disney Plus app page opens up, you just want to click on the install button, then give it some minutes. Now you can go ahead and add it to the home and even open the app directly from here if you want to. For the second method, what you want to do basically is to go ahead and change the region of your Smart TV to a region where the Disney Plus app is actually available. Take for instance the United States. The process of doing this can differ depending on the type and brand of TV you're using, but if you're using a Samsung Smart TV, I have made a separate tutorial on how to go about changing the region on your Smart TV, and I'm going to be leaving a link to that particular tutorial in the description of this video. Once you change the region of your Smart TV to a region where the Disney Plus app is actually supported, trust me, you will be able to find the app from the App Store of your Smart TV. If you're using a Samsung Smart TV, then you can go ahead and check the description of this video to watch my tutorial on how to change the region of your Smart TV so that you can get the Disney Plus app on your Smart TV. The final solution to help you get the Disney Plus app on your Smart TV is to basically go ahead and get a TV stick or a TV box just like the Google Chromecast. Now this is basically the Google Chromecast. It's a very cheap device, and with this device connected to your TV, you should be able to have the Android or Google environment that allows you to access the Google Play Store and download the Disney Plus app directly from there. But for this to work, again, you have to make sure that your region on the Google Chrome device is actually set to a region where the Disney Plus app is also supported, or else you won't be able to find the Disney Plus app. Now basically, those are the 3 methods you can use to download and install Disney Plus on any Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.